Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you lesson symmetry. So see this video carefully. Observe the leaf shown along the side. Take another leaf like this one which has many veins. See here there is a many veins. In the middle there is a vein that runs the full length of the leaf. For the leaf along that vein, what do you see? One part of the leaf falls exactly on the other. Fold the leaf in different waves along the other veins. What do you see? One part of the leaf does not fall exactly on the other. So you have to take this step, take another leaf and do it and see what is happening. So now look here, take a piece of paper, draw it triangle and cut it. Take a triangular piece of paper as shown along the side. Fold it along the dotted line. You have to draw the triangle in one page, page, and draw the in middle dotted line. Does one part of the triangle piece of the paper fall exactly on the other? So in these triangles, if you take the piece of triangle and if you fold it, then it is folded exactly. This is dotted line is a symmetric axis. So you student, you do it this at home. You take one page and draw the triangle, cut it with a scissor and draw dotted line, and you fold it and see if it is folding with each other, then it is we call a symmetrical. Then take another triangle as shown in the second figure and fold it along the dotted line. Does one part of the triangle fall exactly on the other? So you have to draw this another triangle and this dotted line symmetric axis. If you fold this triangle is not matching, so it is a not symmetrical. You do it student at home and see. If the two parts of the figure made by a line fall exactly on one another, then the figure is said to be symmetrical. See here, if the two parts of the figure are made by a dotted line fall exactly on one another, then the figure is said to be symmetrical about that line. I just now told you. Then, and if the two parts do not fall exactly on one another, then the figure is not symmetrical about that line. Means first triangle, it is fall the lines exactly for one another, then it is a symmetrical, and second triangle, it is not a symmetrical because they are not falling a line together. So this is a not symmetrical. Now see here. Some of the following figures are symmetrical above the given dotted line and some are not. Observe them carefully. So look here. This is a rectangle, so it is a symmetrical in shape. Also this is a quadrilateral, not symmetrical. So this also it is in shape in symmetrical. This cone is not a symmetrical because this is not following the symmetrical line to each other, so it is not not symmetrical. So look the picture of mango. Mango also we can't fold it because it is not symmetrical. This picture also is not symmetrical. So this, see this picture, it is a symmetrical. There is a middle dotted symmetric axis. So if it is fall in one another in each other, then it is a symmetrical, and this is a not symmetrical. You have to draw these students. So look here. Again there is given a circle, so it is a symmetrical. This all this, then alphabet A, this dotted line symmetric axis, that this also is a symmetrical. So letter G, it is not a symmetrical. So letter Y, it is a symmetrical. If you draw this Y and if you cut it and if you fold it in one another, then it is a symmetrical. So letter Z, it is a not symmetrical. So student, write all the alphabets A to Z. write all the alphabets A to Z and draw it in your notebook and draw the dotted symmetrical axis and see which is a symmetrical and which is a not symmetrical. It is a today's homework. So you have to draw the alphabet A to Z and you have to draw the dotted symmetric lines, and you should write that which is a symmetrical and which is not symmetrical. So determine whether the figures given below are symmetricals about any line or not. Put a tick below the picture if it is symmetrical and a cross if it is not. So butterfly. So put the tick before the picture if it is symmetrical. So it is a symmetrical because if it is fold to it one another, there is a symmetrical line middle. So it is a symmetrical. So 2, it is 2 number is not a symmetrical. So again, this is a hexagon. It is a symmetrical. Letter L also is not a symmetrical because it is not folding to each other half to this thing. So X, if you draw this X letter and if you cut and if you see, we can draw a middle line symmetric axis. So it is a symmetrical. So letter H also symmetrical. So I hope also number 1 to 8 you write in your notebook and draw the symmetrical line. See whether which number is symmetrical and which is not. So again there is given the picture for each of the figure below. Draw a line along which you would fold the figure to show that it is symmetrical. So it is given a aeroplane. If you draw middle with a pencil dotted line, this is a symmetrical. Again there is a given a star. Like look here, we can draw a many symmetric axis. So this is also symmetrical. Also leaf, it is also symmetrical. So letter number 8, this is also symmetrical. So in each of the symmetrical figure given below, color the two symmetrical parts in different colors. So this is also symmetrical. They had given a symmetrical figure. You had to draw the middle symmetric axis. This is a triangle. They had given the picture. So you color it and do this also square. Take a square piece of paper. Take a I told you in starting that you have to draw the triangle and to cut it if you want to see, so you can understand it. And again you draw the picture of square. Examine its symmetry by folding it in a different way. So if you draw the square shapes, you will get symmetries many. So you have to draw that dotted line. So there are many symmetrics in square shapes. So you have to do this. Look here, closed figure and open figure. Here it is a house, and outside there is a compound with a gate which that gate is closed. See, this is a closed this is a close. Then here again there is a house there is a middle house and there is a compound and that gate is open. So this is a picture of open. So again they are given the some closed figure. So this is all are the closed figure. It is not a open. And here it is given here some pictures. Here they are given a pot. It is not matched. So some open figures. So this it is a open. So now look here. Can we join point A and B with a line that does not touch the given figure? So look here, can we join A and B? So this is we can join here line A and B and that does not touch the given figure. Can we join the B and C in the same way? We can join the C and B in this way. You can to draw the outside the line here and join the B. So we can join this line also. So next, look here, can we join the point P and F with a line that does not touch the given figure? So this is a P from the up till F, you can join it. So can we join P and M in the same way? Yes. This also we can join it, P and M. Also we can join this line. So now it is given the picture. Find the open and close figure from those given below. So it, look here, this is a open picture. So this is a, and this is a, look here, this picture is given, it is a, all things are closed, so it is a closed picture. Again this also, it is a open. So look here, letter D. D is a letter is closed. So this is a closed picture of D. And this is a M, it is a open. Now look here next. Observe the closed and open figure in Rangoli shown here. So color the Rangolis. So you have to color the Rangolis, and so this you do it. I hope you understood this, student. And student, learn the tables every day. You have to learn the tables, then only you will come to know. So, and do the revision of all the chapters of maths EVS, because your exam is coming near now. So I hope you are yesterday you had answered the paper. So best of luck for your exam, and study very nice and take a good mark, students. So do the revision of all your subjects. Thank you.